This video is sponsored by Pink Soap. Pink Soap is the best soap for me. I know I have done plenty of different soaps, but just smell it. It smells amazing. This is my best one yet. Here you can see I'm trying this before school. I try it before I take a shower and just take a nice smell. You may get it from Walgreens at a great price. And let's start the video. Welcome back to another video with Amelia, or welcome back to Amelia's Everything channel, or welcome to Amelia's Everything channel. I put Baby Kate in the kind of like beginning because I thought it would be a good idea. I have her crib right here next to me, so she's just gonna be jumping in her crib for now while I get ready to go to Girl Scouts. I'm gonna be doing my makeup. Usually I don't do my makeup for Girl Scouts, but this time I am, just because I'm kind of like bored and I already wanted to do my makeup. I'm not gonna do anything noticeable, kind of like just regular like makeup stuff, because of course Girl Scouts, they're very strict with all that type of stuff, so I'm not gonna do too much. But let me put this girl down before she starts messing around and crawling around on me. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so I got everything that I need. Let me just get started. Alrighty. So I have 2 packs of like little makeup kits. I have this one, and I have my lip gloss just dropped, but then I have this, and then I also have 2 big little things for like eyeshadow. One is like regular eyeshadow, the other one's like glitter eyeshadow, which I'm probably not gonna do that today, but yeah, so this is what's going on. So basically, I'm not going to do nothing crazy. I'm gonna put this on. It basically has different colors. I'm going to do this color right in the corner. I'm going to be using this little brush because I know sometimes I use sponges, but I feel like sponges, they don't really get deep down there. They just sponge it out. Okay, so I'm basically just gonna put these under my eyes because I don't know if y'all can see, but there's bangs under my eyes because this girl be tiring me out. So we kind of gotta like cover it. When I tell you, I honestly don't want to go to Girl Scouts today. I don't, and I do at the same time, because I do just to see my friends, because I used to go to Girl Scouts almost, not every Monday, but like Monday, like, you know, like that. But I didn't go to Girl Scouts 3 Mondays. I missed 3 Mondays because they didn't have it. I think it was because of the Christmas break or whatever, but we didn't have it till the 29th, and today is the 29th. And my grandmother, I'm just waiting for my grandmother to come home, so, you're trying to speak? But I'm just waiting for my grandmother to get home, so that way we can go. Because it don't start until 6:30 to 7, right? Or 8. Wait, close my head. But Or it doesn't start till 7 o'clock to like one of those times. But I'm bringing baby Kate. I usually just bring her, and then y'all really think I'm about to bring her inside? No. She's staying because my mom and my grandmother are coming. So like one of them could like stay in the car with baby Kate while me and my mom just go in there. And then my mom come back without me and baby Kate still in the car. And baby Kate just be waiting. But usually baby Kate goes to sleep like, I think it'd be like on the ride. I don't even know when exactly she falls asleep, but she usually always falls asleep then in the car because there's barely anything to really do. And sometimes Mimi might go like get gas or something. So, oh my god, my eye. Ooh. You trying to speak. Y'all really hear y'all? Because she's been speaking, but I can't wait until she get to that age where I can actually understand what she's saying. I'll be like, yeah, you want food? You know, I'll be like, yeah, I got you, yeah. Girl, I can't do that yet. We're getting there though because, yeah, we're getting there. I can't wait until she starts saying her first words, okay? Period. Because I'm not going to be one of those moms that's going to be like, yay, you said mama, yay. No, I'm going to be one of those moms that I will call almost everybody. Be like, look at this girl, she just said it, oh my god. Like, I will be freaking the heck out. And like, if I ever get it on camera, y'all would see how crazy I would act. Literally, like, I would be so happy. I would not be one of those moms that's like, yay. No, I'm gonna be proud of my baby, okay? Because I know how hard it took to, like, if you don't understand, but babies, it's hard for them to say that kind of stuff. It's hard for parents to understand it, but it's hard for them to understand us if you don't get that, you know? So it's not just us not understanding them, it's them not understanding us. So, I'm trying to find this next. It's gonna take. Alright, so I found the next product. This time I'm going to use a sponge for this part, and I'm just going to use a brush and then just swoop it. But I'm going to use this one right here, the corner. I'm not really using much glitter today because I feel like glitter is very much a mess, and it's cute at first, but then it just gets kind of out of hand and don't look right. So, and y'all can see just by telling me dabbing it just a little bit on the sponge. What if I just go out like this? No, I would need to like blend it more. I mean, a sponge kind of does that, but not 100%. Like, you still need to be checking. Don't worry, y'all. I'll be looking cute after this period. I'm not really going to go all out like I do for like my transitions. And I'm pretty sure I said that in the beginning of this video, that I was not going to really go out like that. You know, go all out for my makeup because this is in public. So I don't want to make myself look a mess. Even if I do make myself look a mess, I'm going to quickly wipe it off, period. If I have time. Honestly, let me just try my best to not do that because once I'm done with my makeup and if Mimi gets here, then we time to leave and then I won't have time to wipe my makeup off. And I'll just have to collect it. No, I'll probably still have time. But still, I don't want to do that at all. I'm also get on my forehead. Period. Yeah. Yo, she literally be talking like every minute. I know y'all just heard that. That was my phone. It had never made that noise before. So that's kind of weird, but who blowing up my phone? Like, why are you blowing up my phone? You want Grace's corner on? Y'all, I'll be back. Let me turn on Grace's.
Hey, let's go for a ride on the bus.
You happy now? Yeah. All she wanted was Gracie's corner, but guess what? I'm about to turn this joint down because Gracie's corner, she be getting me. Like, period. Like, she cute, right? But she just loud. That's the problem. Like, you know, she just active. And she make my baby active, period. And I be hearing about Miss Rachel, this lady called Miss Rachel. I did try that before. I did try that. I mean, she liked it, but she kind of got like tired of it and she wanted more energy from her. So I was like, okay, everybody else is now trying Gracie's Corner all of a sudden. Let me try that. And this girl was dancing on her first day, and I'm like, what? Why is she dancing? And then I started dancing. I'm like, this is for kids. Oh shoot, because I could be dancing through this all day, you know. So I would rather her be watching Gracie's Corner, where I know it's something that both of us like, not just me. I mean, not just her. So. She looking at me like I'm crazy, but that do be you, honey. That do be you. Okay, so I'm gonna. This isn't really makeup related, but I'm gonna pour some of this. My grandmother got it this morning. She said just to put it in your hair now, make your hair shiny. I did put some on this morning. Mine can put some more on. Ooh, why did it just pop? Why it just came off like that? Oh, can I? Oh my God, y'all! Did it got me a phone? Where'd it go? Nobody where it went? Oh, here it is. It was like under the crib. Oh, that's annoying. Do I look red? Why do I look so red? I mean, I do have such a but why is this thing just pouring? Some on my hands. It smells alright. It's not the best smell that I would want to put in my hair, but it's like out of 10, I'll say a 5. But honestly, I don't really think it works because I tried it this morning. It didn't really make my hair that shiny. So I'm like, what the heck? And before y'all start saying in the comments that your baby eat, yes, she ate before I made this video. Like, she ate, like, it wasn't even an hour ago. It's before, like, I don't know why it's coming out like this, but oh well. It's helping me out. I don't even know how to do anything. Anyways. That's not makeup related. Alright. I couldn't find this thing. I just found this, but this could actually be helpful. I like how Gracie's Corner, they don't just make it like boring, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. No, they like, she put like a rap to it. And that's like the best part is when she put that rap to it. Oh, and I don't know if y'all know this, but do y'all know who, what's her name? Lele? I don't know if y'all know her, but I do. But she's a famous person. She was on one of these. She was on a Gracie's Corner episode. I was like, oh, not that being, this is dusty, y'all. Like, look. I guess it's old, but I need a white. Since I can't find this, I'm just gonna have to do this. Oh, it works kind of the same. So I know I have one, but it's probably upstairs. What's going on? I know. Oh, that's commercial. Girl, don't get mad at me. Oh yeah, weren't we just watching it yesterday? The Bugs Life real one? Huh? That's good, but it's like a show. I didn't know that was a show. I thought it was just... Oh, y'all, I'm mad. Let me tell y'all why I'm mad. Because I know it's been a minute since I posted. I didn't post this Saturday. And that's unlike me, right? You would think that's unlike me. I did post, but it didn't post. Let me tell you why. So I made a video on Friday, right? And it was me, no, let me keep it. But it was me, doing like stuff like working out, doing my wig, doing my makeup, all that kind of stuff. With baby Kate, you know, I was just having a good time. And then when I was editing it yesterday, Little Claw was there, so y'all already know. If y'all don't know him, he's 1 year younger than me, but he's like, it's kind of hard to do something and have focus on him and give him attention. So, you know, I was just editing, but then when I got finished editing, and this was like really, let me tell you why this pissed me off so bad. I was editing, and then when I was done editing, because it took me a minute to edit, when I was done editing, I don't know, y'all know CapCut? If you don't know that, it's called CapCut. Now you know, if you don't know that, you know. It's called CapCut, right? Tell me why CapCut has this pro. You know, I expect. Hold on. So CapCut has pro. It's like a thing that I think you have to like be already signed in the CapCut in order to really get that. But I was like, okay, but most of the trends are pro. So I'm like, okay, I'll just use the cheap trends. And the cheap trends aren't even that bad, so I was okay with it. But I was really trying not to use the Pro. When I was about to upload it, I pressed the upload button, and then it came to, oh, you used this singing thing, the music, one of the music that you used was Pro. I'm like, it was? Oh, I didn't notice. So I'm like, okay, if it was Pro, let me see which one I use. So I look back at, I don't even know, I look back, right? And I go to the certain subject of music. And guess what, y'all? I know which one I used. But here's the problem. I don't know where I used it in the video. So I was literally just like looking in the video, pissed. Like, and I'm sure everybody could relate of why I was pissed. Because, you know, I couldn't post it unless I found the song and then delete the song and then add a new song that's not Pro. So I was just looking at all the songs, couldn't find it. So I'm like, this is useless. And then I had to argue it with my cousin about something, about football or something. And then I was like, look, I won't be able to post this because it's just taking me too much out of my time for this. And I don't have enough time to do all that. So I was giving up. And now it's too late. I can't post it because I already deleted all the videos and stuff. Yeah. So I just gave up. But that's why I wanted to make this video to let y'all know, like, hey, I never like meant to do that to you. So don't be like, oh, she did post, she forgot about it. No. Period. Okay. So I'm about to do my lips, and then yeah. Oh yeah, you know what I almost forgot? My nose. Like, how y'all let me forget about my nose? Y'all, well, I can see if you forgot about the nose because I usually don't do much with my nose. And I'm gonna do the sides of my eyes, but I don't really have to do that. But for the nose, I'm gonna use this one right there. And I actually need like a small. Yeah, I'll be good. Don't ask. Y'all, I could not find a small brush, so I'm gonna have to use this. Please do not ask why, okay? Because I know I couldn't pick something better. Let me just use my finger because it's too much. Oh look, I'll be better. Okay. I don't even know why. Here we go. Y'all, after I'm done with my makeup, I'm gonna look in the mirror because honestly, it might look different on here than it's actually real. She's way too quiet. I'm about to say, like, why is she so quiet? But then I'm like, oh, Gracie's on, so that makes sense. So she's quiet. Yo, I have to use eyeshadow because y'all see what? I don't really have any I only have the lip thing for the red because I went to, I forget what the place was called, but it was like a mall that had like makeup store stuff. And I went to one of their makeup stores, right? That in the mall, and they didn't have no black. The only one that they had was red. So I'm like, but when I mix the red in the black, it kind of looks cute. Period. It's giving black. It's red. Dinosaur. I made this more like weirdish, like more clean. If you know what I'm saying, because it's not giving. I mean, it's giving, but it just needs to be cleaned a little bit. So I'm gonna take my water, which I will be using my water in this in a minute. Actually, I'm kind of just gonna. The top. Cute, right? Let me add more black. I feel like I need to add more black. Let's see. Yeah. Come in here.
Are you ready?
You said Mimi's on the phone?
Yeah. So you would see that.
Okay, I'm gonna just wipe this off, y'all. I don't really need it.
You're done.
Oh shoot.
Look over here.
No, Papa cleaned it out.
Why are you cleaning it out?
And he put the stuff in here.
Why don't you do?
But I need that bag at home because they said don't take anything out of the bag. I didn't see him when he did it. And then when he told me that, I was like, it's okay because I'm not going to Girl Scouts for a minute. Because at the time I wasn't going.
Okay.
Y'all, I'm gonna go. Hope you like this video. Short little video. Yeah.